Hello and welcome back to HardReset.Info. In this video, I will show you how to set free button navigation on SONY Xperia 10 Mark VII. Let's begin! So, first of all, we want to head into our settings. Then, let's scroll all the way down and enter System. Inside System, you want to enter Gestures, and in the gestures, you want to go into navigation mode. Now, all you want to do is simply switch from gesture navigation to free button navigation. And as you can see, gestures are now gone, and we can just use our buttons as we would normally. And that's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and as always, thanks for watching. See you next time!